Well, good morning. It's 8 o'clock here in London, maybe a little bit after, a few minutes here and there. Just been catching up on Sky Vids, watching everybody. It was good to catch Seven last night. It was such a nice surprise. I've just been watching Jim's videos, Jim SA, and came out, moon there in the southwest-ish. And look what's coming in. Here, southeast. I've had a look, it's all up in the north as well, coming over. The colours in it are very clear now. It's a lot of detail in this. Needs to have the light taken down a bit. I'm a bit scuppered at the moment because my kids have gone away for a few days and they've taken all the USB leads for the phones, and the two they've left me, neither of them work, so I can't upload my stuff onto the laptop without going out and buying another one. And I've just deleted like loads of pictures I was going to do. Look at this thing. I was going to do a video about the Christmas trees around here that have all been thrown out, because the place is just littered with dead trees. They're just like forests of trees all over London, all on the corners, in people's gardens. It's just horrible. So I went out yesterday and took loads of photographs and a little video, and I was going to do this sad ass video about Christmas trees, but couldn't upload all the pictures, so I've had to delete them all to get enough space on this to film, because bloody Samsung just keep giving me these updates. I thought I'd turn them off. I mean, the only thing I use on the phone is the camera and occasionally the phone, and there's about 100 zillion apps on it that I just never use. I just don't care. I'm going to have to upload this one straight soon. So anyway, let's have enough of me yattering. It's taking some shape. There was an awesome place up here earlier. Yeah. So this is in the east, southeast. It's heading towards. The sun is coming up over here behind the houses. Just sort of see it starting to lighten the sky. It's pretty close as well, you know. There you go. Stuff's starting to show. If you remember the beginning of the video, how there wasn't very much up by the moon, now it's all starting to show itself. So yeah, eyes to the skies, guys. It's all livening up, livening up. Eye of the dragon there, look at that. See it really clearly. Man. Oh God, I bet I don't get much done today.